Daddy?
Yeah, go. Pat the kitty. Meow meow. Tickle his chin.
I got four.
You got fur? It's fur.
What? He wants that. He's enough for that. Hey, no.
Nice kitty. That's right.
Summer's cat.
Summer's cat.
Yes. Oh, he likes. Oh.
Yeah, he likes that. Tickle his chin. That's right. He likes tickles.
He's angry.
Is he angry?
Yes.
No. He's happy.
No.
He's happy.
He's not happy.
He's very happy. He's happy.
Angry.
Angry? Why?
Because he's angry. Because he's bad.
Oh. Why?
Because
Because
he's bad.
Miss Beth? What's she got to do with it? Why is the cat angry?
Why?
Why?
Daddy?
Oh dear!
Oh no.
Don't do that. Oh, he doesn't like that, see? You have to be nice to him. No, you wrote it out of the way, Summer. See? He says, stop that! Stop that! He's licking his paws now. Okay? I told you. No, he's okay. Nice kitty. See? Kitty. He likes it this way. Okay? He likes it that way.
Where's my pen?
Where's your pram? It's over there. Are you finished with the cat now?
No.
No.
That's the poo-poo.
What?
The poo-poo.
What do you mean, poo-poo?
That's the
That's his bum.
yes.
Yeah, he's got a bum.
Oh no, what's that?
This is, what's that? There's a caterpillar.
Why did that be there?
I don't know how he got there. Don't touch the caterpillar.
Why? Why no that?
He's fluffy. Is he a fluffy caterpillar?
No. Who's that?
Caterpillar.
I followed the caterpillar.
Okay.
It's baby.
It's a baby cat.
Oh no!
What about the cat? You finished playing with the cat? We can go get Daniel now. You want to get Daniel? You want to get Daniel now?
There's the poo-poo.
No. Time to get Daniel, right?
Why caterpillar there?
He fell off the tree, I think.